Hey, what's going on? So what I'm going to be teaching right now is the composite function, which is something that we've already covered. So whenever you're doing a problem similar to this, remember golf, T. Whenever you see this, always remember what I taught you. It's give me 1 second and make sure this is writing. Yes, it is. Always remember which one is the T closest to. Is it closest to the G or the closest to the F? And obviously you're going to say, Mr., it's closest to the F. So this actually means this. G parentheses F of T. So that means your F of T is going to go inside of the G of T. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's begin. So you have G of T. So G of T equals T squared plus 5. And the rule now is G parentheses F of T, right? So with that being said, let's go ahead and answer this problem, right? So wherever you see a T, you're going to plug in your F of T, which is all of this. So let's begin. Instead of T, you're going to open the parentheses. You're going to plug in the equation of F of T, which is T plus 3. So T plus 3 squared, and then don't forget the plus 5, right? So now, if you notice this, we've done this before. This is the box method. That's where you're going to multiply this twice. So here's the box method, which is T plus 3, T plus 3. T times T, that's T squared. T times 3, that's 3T. 3 times T, once again, is 3T. 3 times 3 is 9. We're going to combine like terms. So the first answer you're going to get is T squared, because that's usually the first box, so that's a check. Then the ones that are across from each other, you add them. 3T plus 3T is 6T. Last but not least, you have the plus 9. And you're done with this part. But if you notice, this plus 5, it follows it. And then you ask yourself, which one of these can you combine? Well, it's the last two. So the answer becomes T squared plus 6T. 9 plus 5 is 14. And this right here is your answer. Hopefully that helps out.